Cell, the unit of life. The body of all organisms are made up of cells. Hence, cell is the basic unit of life. Some organisms are composed of a single cell. They are called as unicellular organisms, while others are composed of many cells and are called as multicellular organisms. A living cell was first discovered by Anton von Leeuwenhoek. The nucleus was discovered by Robert Brown. Cell theory. Two scientists, Schleiden and Schwann, formulated cell theory. The postulates of cell theory are: all living organisms are composed of cells. All cells arise from pre-existing cells. Cell structure. All cells have an outer boundary called cell membrane. In addition to this, plant cells have a cell wall which form the outer covering. Inside the cell there is a semi-fluid matrix called cytoplasm. All cells have chromosomes which contain the genetic material. Cytoplasm also contains so many membrane-bound structures called organelles. Example, mitochondria, chloroplast, etc. And non-membrane bound structures called inclusions. Example, sugars, proteins, etc. There are two types of cells, eukaryotic cell and prokaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cells have a membrane-bound true nucleus. Chromosomes are seen inside the nucleoplasm of nucleus. All organelles are present in eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cells do not have a membrane-bound true nucleus. Chromosomes are seen in the cytoplasm. All organelles are absent in prokaryotic cell except ribosomes. Ribosomes are non-membrane-bound organelle present in both eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells. Ribosomes are found not only in the cytoplasm but also within two organelles, that is mitochondria and chloroplast in plants. Animal cell contain another non-membrane bound organelle called centriole which help in cell division. Cell differ in size. The largest cell is egg of ostrich. The smallest cell is mycoplasma or PPLO, pleuropneumonia-like organism. The longest cell is nerve cell. Prokaryotic cells. It includes bacteria, blue-green algae, that is cyanobacteria and mycoplasma. Prokaryotic cells have a cell wall surrounding the cell membrane. Inside the cell, cytoplasm is present. There is no well-defined or true nucleus. A single large circular chromosome is present in the cytoplasm. Chromosome is the DNA wound with proteins. In addition to this large central DNA, there are certain small rings of DNA found in the cytoplasm. They are called as plasmids. All organelles are absent in prokaryotic cell except ribosomes. In prokaryotic cell, the cell membrane has several infoldings called mesosomes. Cell envelope. Prokaryotic cells have a complex cell envelope. It consists of three layers: glycocalyx, cell wall, and cell membrane. The outermost layer is glycocalyx. It may be a loose sheath called slime layer or thick and rough called capsule. The cell wall determines the shape of the cell. Plasma membrane is similar to that of eukaryotic cell. Plasma membrane shows infoldings or extensions called mesosomes. They help in cell wall formation, DNA replication, secretion, and respiration. Bacterial cell may be motile or non-motile. If motile, they have flagella. They are long, thin, filamentous extensions from the cell wall. Each flagellum is composed of three parts: basal body, hook, and filament. Besides flagella, pili and fimbriae are also surface structures of the bacteria. Pili is elongated tubular structure and fimbriae are small bristle-like structures sprouting out of the cell. They help to attach the bacteria on the substratum. Ribosomes in prokaryotic cells are 70S and are made up of two subunits like 50S and 30S. Ribosomes are the site of protein synthesis. Several ribosomes are attached to a single mRNA to form a chain called polysomes.